Hey everyone, have you ever wondered what happens when a highly anticipated crypto airdrop gets delayed? You're all set, waiting to claim your tokens, and then there's an announcement, and the date gets pushed back. Well, that's exactly what's going on with the BLUM project right now. But first, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. Let me take you back a few days. Everyone was buzzing about the BLUM Airdrop, scheduled for September 20th. But then, a surprise tweet from the CEO threw us all off balance. The tweet clarified that the airdrop had never been officially scheduled for that date and that any such announcements were false. This update means the airdrop has been delayed until next month. Now, if you've been following this project closely, you know this isn't just any random announcement. It's a game changer for those of us who are looking to collect and swap our BLUM points into tokens. But what does this delay mean for you? And how should you prepare? Here's the thing. When the airdrop was first mentioned, people started speculating on how many points would convert into tokens. Some thought 3 points would become 1 token, others guessed 4 or even 6 points. It felt like everyone was trying to crack the code. But with the delay, we've got more time to figure out the best strategy. And that's good news, because this project is no joke. It's backed by over 30 different blockchain networks. So the potential is huge. Speaking of potential, if you've been keeping an eye on their roadmap, you know that BLUM is aiming to connect 30 million wallets to the TON blockchain. As of right now, they've hit 20 million. And once they complete the next 10 million, the airdrop will be ready to roll. That's the milestone we're all waiting for. But there's more to this than just waiting. The BLUM bot is key. If you're not already using it, you're missing out on gathering free points every day. And trust me, every point counts. Not only that, but if you join a clan, you're in for a 10% bonus every 8 hours. It's a no-brainer for boosting your stash. Now you might be wondering, why should I care about this project? Well, BLUM isn't just some meme coin that could disappear overnight. It's a platform, a decentralized one at that. It's designed to trade meme coins and other crypto, giving it real utility beyond just speculation. And let me tell you, when Binance and OKX are backing a project like this, you know it's serious. In fact, Binance has already invested significant funds into BLUM, and more partnerships are expected to come from major exchanges. So what should you be doing right now? First, make sure you've got your wallet connected to the BLUM bot on the TON blockchain. This is essential for receiving the airdrop when it finally goes live. Second, keep completing the daily challenges in the bot and stay engaged with the project. Those points will be critical once the airdrop happens. And one last tip, keep an eye on your referral links. If you can invite more people to the bot, you'll be raking in even more points. And trust me, when that airdrop hits, you'll be glad you did. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.